Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own gada macebell. So my son has done these sticks, and I don't care what size they are. This is for a beginner's course, so it's just about over a meter long. First I will put some screws in this, so you see I look at the depth of it, so I know I'm gonna put them here. You don't need that many. So I put these screws. I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna put screws in all of them. Okay, so I put all the screws together with the sticks. So I'm gonna start doing my concrete. I will take some small stones. I will take some water. And then I have some concrete. And then I mixture this. And then I will take some sand. Just regular sand.
You know, show.
I put on gloves. Then I will take. This is just a rest product from a construction work. So I'm not sure what it was used for. I took it from the dumpster because I saw the potential of it. What I will do is that it's easier to do with just a hand. So I add some concrete. You don't have to put anything in the bottom, because I don't make this mixture so wet. I try to keep it pretty dry. So put the concrete in here. And then I want it to wobble it a little. Can even press down some. And then I can tap it a bit. Like that. I have done my first one, and I don't really care if it's straight or anything. I like it when it's a bit curvy. I will do 11 because I will have this for a workshop. These are really cheap to make, because you know, when you start looking for mace balls and gadas, they are pretty expensive. I can move this. Check the bottom. I will put it here. Like that. And when it has dried a little, I will bring it down in the basement. So inside, this is Scandinavia, it's really cold here. So it can dry up in the basement. And when it's dried up and you want to remove this, usually you have to cut it. It's really hard getting it off otherwise. Sometimes it gets off, sometimes not. So I start doing my next one. I tap it. So you see, when I want to remove it, I circle it around, and then I can move it. That's perfect. Ta-da! 11 gadas made. So I will use these gadas in a workshop, and one thing you can do if you start using this as a personal trainer, you can make these. You go and have your workshop, and the making of the gada can be a part of the workshop, but you teach them the exercises, and they can bring home their own gada. If you make this gada at a place that is not like you're not home doing it, you can just wrap a bag around it and you can take it home in your car. I will let these dry up a bit outside here, and when they are a bit stiffer, then I will bring them down in the basement. If it's hot outside, try to keep them in the shades, because you don't want the concrete to burn too fast, then they will crack up. I hope this can help you and inspire you to start training with this ancient warrior tool. Thank you.